Once upon a time in a magical forest there lived 3 friends, Squeaky the squirrel, Whiskers the cat, and Buddy the dog. They were inseparable, always embarking on exciting adventures that filled their days with joy and laughter. One sunny morning, Squeaky, the energetic squirrel, climbed down from his treehouse and spotted Whiskers, the curious cat, gracefully strolling through the bushes. "Meow. What's happening, Squeaky?" asked Whiskers, twitching his whiskers in excitement. "Hey, Whiskers. I have an idea. Let's explore the deep, mysterious forest today," said Squeaky with enthusiasm. Without hesitation, Buddy, the friendly dog, joined the 2 adventurers. The trio ventured into the dense forest, finding hidden treasures, encountering butterflies, and even meeting a wise owl perched atop a tree. As they roamed further into the forest, they spotted a shimmering pond. Buddy wagged his tail, excited to splash around, while Squeaky swung from tree to tree. Whiskers observed the playful squirrel, intrigued. "Squeaky, that looks like so much fun. Can you teach me how to climb like you?" asked Whiskers with curiosity. "Of course. Let's see how nimble your paws can be," replied Squeaky happily. As they continued their journey, they heard a soft, melodious tune coming from behind a bush. Curiosity piqued. The trio approached cautiously and found a group of singing birds. Buddy's ears perked up, and he said, "I've never heard such beautiful music before." Whiskers added, "This forest is full of surprises." After an eventful day, as the sun set, the trio gathered under a giant oak tree. Squeaky smiled and said, "Today was extraordinary. I'm so glad we're friends." Buddy nuzzled Squeaky and replied, "Me too, Squeaky. You're like family to us." Whiskers purred contently, "We'll always be together, no matter what." And so, the adventures of Squeaky, Whiskers, and Buddy continued, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. They learned that true friendship knows no bounds, and no adventure is too big when you have friends by your side. Remember, dear children, cherish your friends and embrace every adventure with an open heart, just like our furry friends did. And that's the end of their wonderful story. If you enjoyed this enchanting tale, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. If you want to hear more about the adventures of Squeaky, Whiskers, and Buddy, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.